Good morning, PBMA. Please pardon the interruption. We are going to be practicing our drill using the BLUELINE system. Mr. Jimmy with BLUELINE is going to give you some directions now.
Hello, faculty and students. Today for your drill, we'd like you to remember three things. Number one, please remain silent during the drill, no talking. Two, if you have any cell phones, please silence them while you're in lockdown. And three, and most important, please make sure you quickly get to your safe corner that has been marked and stay in that corner until you are contacted by your safe school officer at the door. Thank you, be safe.
Go, go. Come on.
Alright guys, you here, let's go. Hey, go to the corner over there and sit down quietly. Not talk. To the corner. Over there, right over there. Right over there. Let's go. There you go. Over there in the corner. Over there in the corner.
Blue line, active threat alert.